Bianca and Mariel.
Yeah!
You know, I never question.
Sila tapos ko na.
Wait, you literally only have Gabriella, do you like Gabriella?
Mga gusto natin i-advise sa ating younger selves.
Live with that person. So,
The vow and covenant na sinabi mo sa isa't isa.
Kasi nga crazy in love.
you're always trying to prove something. You're always trying to prove something, di ba? But, diba? So, at saka, I learned from
Hi, Supers! Please watch out for us sa